And let's get right to today's top story.
Today is the first day Senate Bill 12, also called the Parents' Bill of Rights, is in effect in Texas schools. It requires parental consent for various school services and activities.
And that includes things like physical and mental health care. 6 News reporter Sydney Walker checked in with a local representative on the motivation behind the new law.
From a nurse putting on a Band-Aid to a check-in with the school counselor, parents must now opt in for their child to be able to receive either service. Parents must complete annual consent forms for each student, opting in for instructional programs, school clubs, and health services, both mental and physical. A lot falls under care that parents must opt into, from temperature and vital checks to vision and hearing screenings to basic medications. The TEA, who was required to create the form for parents, defines health-related services to include school counseling services, suicide prevention, and crisis prevention training. Texas Representative Pat Curry said this bill came along with many others that made parent choice a priority.
There are plenty of parents out there that don't want their child to have certain types of treatments, or they want to know immediately if there's an issue, and they may not want them going to the school nurse, or they may not want them to get a particular shot or a vaccine or something. It's their choice, right? And so consequently, and when you get into the mental health aspects, especially, that's a big deal, and it's important that the parents are involved in that process. They know that there is an issue going on.
Curry did note that there is exception for suspected abuse in the home, as well as emergencies and life-threatening situations. Coming up at 6, I'll have more from our local schools on how things are going with implementing the bill.
All right, Sydney, thank you.